Hello Pisces, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for July the 11th to July the 13th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, no? So please don't forget to hit the notification bell para ma-notify po kayo every time na tayo nagre-release po ng bagong video. So Pisces, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na tayo, no? Pisces, bakit parang feeling natin merong tinatago, no? Itong ating person. Somewhat, probably na natin, nasa-sense natin na parang merong mga hindi sinasabi, naglilihim, no, itong si person. Hindi pa man natin ito siguro kino-call out or sinasabi sa kanya, pero madami na tayong napapansin. I feel like medyo inaano din natin with the air, no? Medyo sabihin natin, tinatansya-tansya natin yung mga bagay-bagay, no? Dapat ko bang sabihin agad or baka magalit kasi wala pa akong sapat na evidence, no? But ang napapansin ko is nagbabago, no, si person. There is also a lot of questions as of the moment na tinatanong mo sa sarili mo, bakit ganito siya ngayon? Kasi ang alam ko, no? Ang alam ko ba pag ganitong oras, nandito siya sa mga lugar na usually alam ko nandun siya. Let's say, pag 5 o'clock, alam ko nasa gym siya, no? Pag around 2, alam ko nasa work siya, no? Yung ganyan. I think that probably lately, medyo napapansin mo na medyo, parang nag-iiba din ang schedule the person, which is, whether it is usual or unusual, alam mong merong iba, mas matagal yung longer, mas matagal yung longer, that's redundant. Mas longer yung period niya sa labas, mas matagal yung oras niya sa mga activities niya ngayon, no? With the Nine of Cups, the Ace of Swords, the High Priestess, Six of Wands, and the Knave of Wands. For a few numbers of you, medyo nakikita nyo naman na hindi naman siya nagkukulang. Well, in fact, I think meron naman siyang, meron talaga siyang magandang balita. Kasi there's something that you're probably asked for, wished, requested from your person. I think that they're doing something about it. Medyo somewhat kinabahan ako nung una. Kasi without the cards yet, so para tayong nanonood ng isang movie na merong twist. Ang nakikita ko kasi nung una, so bakit may mga paglilihim, no? Bakit meron siyang mga hindi sinasabi? So what I am seeing in here is parang meron kang nasabi, wish, request na parang tutuparin nito. Either this is a specific bagay, no? Or sabihin natin, gusto niyo pumunta sa isang lugar. I believe na itong person mo is, sabihin natin, tinatrabaho. Itong mga wishes na ito or wish na ito, I believe that there's also something in here that your person would really love to offer, if not this month, next month. I'm seeing sort of bridging this offer between July and August. Let's clarify the High Priestess in here, the Ace of Coins and the Nine of Coins. So actually this is them, apart from working, also investing their time, energy, effort, abundance, no? Dito sa kung ano man itong pasabog nila sa'yo. Actually, it's a pasabog dahil they wouldn't, sabihin nating um, take action kung hindi ito importante sa'yo. It might be, there's also an Ace of Swords. Siguro kung plano nyong magsarili, no? Umiwalay, magsama na. It could also be a ring na medyo pinag-iipunan niya. Actually, it costs money, no? Sa iba siguro, no, yung medyo nakakaangat sa buhay, it doesn't count that much. Pero kasi sa kanila, pinagpaguran nila. So there's actually a secret here. But that secret is to actually makes you happy with the Nine of Coins. So I think that you're gonna receive this good news with the Six of Wands in here to put the connection into another level. Either kung lalaki ikaw na binabasahan ko Pisces, chances are baka merong baby reveal, no? Merong itong ano yung PT, no, pregnancy test na ipapakita sa iyo na nakabuo ka na with the Ace of Coins in here. Or madadagdagan, no, ang responsibility mo, just kidding, no, madadagdagan kayo sa family. So medyo, kumbaga, kinikip niya pa ito sa kanyang sarili. No, naiintriga ako dito, so let's get some more cards. So while I'm shuffling, Pisces, I want you to know na baka matigil itong reading ko kapag hindi natigil yung impostor, no? Kasi may gumagamit po ng video ko, ng logo ko, pretending to be me. So, ang masakit nun is that person is putting my name, the account, no, this account in jeopardy. Nagsusulisit siya ng mga pera. So, hindi po ako yon, no? Somehow kinuha niya yung logo, meron talagang mga, kung titignan mo yung mga maliliit na bagay, hindi po malayong malayo sa original na account, no? Gusto ko rin pong malaman, ipaalam sa inyo na medyo stress tayo ngayon kasi I'm taking actions na rin doon. Pero I think kailangan ng mass reporting. So, humihingi ako ng tulong sa inyo na baka naman po, no? Pwede nyo namang i-report, nasa description box po itong link, no? Kasi kapag hindi siya tumigil, ako na lang yung titigil kaysa ipahama ko yung sarili ko, di ba? Kasi kapag naputol ako, puputol din siya, di ba? Mawawala siya. So, ayaw naman natin mangyari yun. Might as well, tulungan nyo na lang po ako. Paki-report yung nandoon sa unang-unang link, no, na nandun po sa description box. So, bumalik na tayo sa reading ninyo. Pasensya na. With the knowledge or fruit of knowledge, I think that this information will be given to you, no? Nashock ako with the Four of Wands. So this is, chances are, ito na yung pagiging seryoso ng inyong relasyon. Ito na yung papasok na kayo sa either sa mga singles or doon tayo sa, magsimula tayo sa mga in mutual understanding, no? I feel like ito na papasok na kayo sa isang committed relationship na hindi lang uy, crush ko yan, uy, meron kaming something, no? Dito natin masasabi na, jowa ko yan, akin yan, no? For those who are in a relationship na, I think na pag-uusapan nyo na dito, cohabitation proposal or marriage, or baka ito na nga, magsasarili na kayo ng sariling bahay. Magkakaroon kayo ng, or bubuo na kayo ng family, no? With the Four of Wands in here, this is strong foundation that thickens or bonds your connection a little more deeper. from the norms, no? With the chariot, for a few numbers of you, baka mag-migrate din. So, I believe that kung hindi man ito migration, the visa, no, is about to get approved. With the Ten of Wands, Seven of Wands, and the Ten of Swords. So I feel like whatever the surprises may be, madami kayong pinagdaanan to get this, or madami siyang pinagdaanan to actually fulfill, no, this surprise for you. Siguro ayaw niya lang ipaalam itong mga pinagdaanan niya just to get, no, and to offer this gift of surprise with the Ten of Wands clarified by the Ace of Cups and the Nine of Wands. Dun mo mapapatunayan na ay ganun pala ako kamahal ni person, kasi it doesn't matter na nagtatrabaho siya, pagod siya, no, at meron pa siyang extra activities na para lang mapasaya ka, no? And I feel like this is also this month, no, or next month, dito na matatapos itong mga questions mo. What is really going on? So, dito mo masasabi na, kaya pala, ang dami kong ngayon tanong, ito pala yun, with the Ten of Coins, talagang pinagtuunan ng pansin, pinagkagastusan, talagang masasabi natin ditong yung effort, pagod, no, yung devotion nila sa'yo. I am seeing angel number 10, 10, 10, 10 of coins, 10 of swords, and 10 of wands. So if you're gonna look at it, no, this is also a binary code na ginagamit sa computer, 101010, no? So which means that you also have, your person is telling you something to do not make an assumption yet. So there is actually either a bilingual or whatever communication that is. I'm also not technical with the computer. Medyo kurang na tayo dyan. And I am not that techy, no? And I am not also a numerologist. Ayoko magdunong-dunungan sa part na yan. So check angel number 10, 10, 10, no? Pwede nyo pong i-comment sa comment section ano yung meaning number ng 10, 10, 10, but I believe that you are going to papasok ka na sa isang sobrang committed na relationship, and I feel like there is a blessing para din ma-fulfill ni person itong mga wishes mo na gusto niya ring i-grant, ano? So let's check here the feelings, either feelings of your person or feelings mo, no? Yung nararamdaman mo. Either of the two. I need you to help me. I think that this is you. I need you to help me understand. Also them, it could be a mirror energy. I need you to help me, not for you to assume, no, stay there, keep quiet while I'm doing this. So, wag mo ako munang istorbohin kasi what I'm doing is for you. Can you hear me whisper your name? So it felt like there's some plead in here. There's also something sort of, you know, lahat ng ginagawa ko para sa'yo, naiintindihan mo ba? This gift, this abundance is dedicated, you know, and only meant for you, no? So, kinikilig naman ako dito, Pisces. So, tingnan natin ang zodiac sign ng person mo, no, to reassure na ito ang iyong reading. I'm seeing Leo. It could also be Pisces, no, Scorpio, Taurus, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer. Yeah, I think nabuo natin ang water placements dito. Virgo, Capricorn. Ayan. Yan ang iyong reading, no? So again, Pisces, maraming salamat po. Paki-report naman po yung nandun sa description box. It requires mass reporting, lalo na dun sa TikTok, no? Tulong nyo na sa akin at tulong nyo na sa mga kababayan natin na victim nitong taong ito. And again, kapag po hindi ito na-stop, baka ako na yung stop para matigil na, no, ang kanyang pang-scam. Kasi kung totoong reader to, bakit hindi siya gumawa ng sarili niyang account, no? Wala ba siyang kumpiyansa sa kanyang mga readings at kailangan niyang kumuha ng readings ng iba, no? So, please be vigilant. Please report. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, Babaylan TV po, no? At nandun din po, nagla-live tayo doon, no? So, Pisces, kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung feeling nyo po hindi kayo nasa-satisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box din, nandun naman po yung link ng aking website. Nandun lang po lahat ng aking transactions. How much per question, the QR code, nandun po yung name to match. Kapag hindi po yung nag-match, hindi akin yon, no? And if you also, may create ako doon na 4 questions plus 1. So, apart from that website, hindi na ako nakikipag-transact sa iba. So, please be vigilant. And also, if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po yan, no, sa description box. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. And paki-report ulit. Goodbye.